Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to control the voice input mode on Discord's Android app. Whether you want to manage when your mic is active or avoid unwanted background noise, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to set it up correctly. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down until you find the Voice option and tap on it. Now, under Input mode, you have two choices: Push to talk. This mode lets you control exactly when others hear you by holding a button, which helps prevent accidental sounds or background noise. Voice activity. This mode automatically transmits your mic whenever it detects your voice or sounds above a certain volume level. Choose what you need. That's all for today's tutorial. Adjusting your input mode on Discord is easy and improves your voice chat experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides.